Welcome to Car Value Scout. In the next 3 minutes, I'm going to show you how easy it is to use Car Value Scout. This is the master class. It's literally that simple. So let's get started. First thing we do is we go and we log in to our account, and then we go back to the home page and we go to My Account. We have 9 credits. We have 6 add-ons. We have 1 bundle. Okay, everybody will have something different. There's the VIN reports. We can choose the reports, pull them up, and now we go to the valuation, car valuation reports. And there's the Fusion that we just looked at. We can go and look at it in this way here. Gives us the value, the range. This is our report. Gives us the details. For example, on the O2 sensor, we can go to Amazon, and it pulls up the parts on Amazon. And there you have it. We close out Amazon, and we go to YouTube, and sure enough, we have the videos on how to fix it. And we go out of that, and we look at a visual inspection windshield. The windshield, we go here, and the windshield prices are right there, $189. That's eBay. So there's where you get your parts from. There's the as-is value. There's a repair cost of $405, so that gets deducted, and that's how you use your stuff. That's basically what you need to do to get to your stuff. So we'll go back, and once again, you go back into My Account, and if you are interested in the VIN history reports, you can actually go in and we can choose VIN history reports, and then we can download the PDF or view it. And this is the Ford Fusion, and it gives us all the records. It gives us accident records, it gives us specifications, it gives us title. It's all here. Everything is here. No stolen records, the history. Look at this. It gives us the mileage all the way down to the 214,000 miles. Service and repair, 28 records. Once again, everything that's been done to this vehicle. You'll see it all. Vehicle oil filter changed. Oil filter changed. Keeps going down. Inspection records, 28,000 miles. All the way down. Look at it. 204,000 miles. Maintenance inspection completed. Once again there, different places that did it. History timeline, 7 events. Okay, battery charging system check. Very extensive. That's it. Okay.